you where we're going yet. When we get there, we will tell you, but right now, we're just in the
You better go
terminal.
because
They have castles, but it's not in Europe. They have a White House, but it's not white. They have the oldest church in the Americas. Columbus spent time there. In fact, they say he's buried there. The preferred language is Spanish. They have lots of great fresh produce and lots of wonderful food.
Here's another hint. Well, they have lots of beaches, like lots. And I like pina coladas. They have pina coladas.
They are known for dancing on bottles. They have lots of beautiful coastline. They have lots of snorkeling. You can sit back and relax and enjoy this footage. They have lots of beautiful fish and coral reefs. They're also known for scuba diving. You can even scuba dive in shipwrecks. And for those that like it above the water, there's lots of sailing.
Yes, the Dominican Republic, you are right!
Don't miss my other travel videos. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for a blooper.
So we're not gonna tell you. Can we start that over?